Still think Exynos can't handle real gaming heat? This might completely change your mind. Samsung has dropped a powerful new teaser, and it's clearly aimed at gamers who still don't trust Exynos chips. So the real question is, did Samsung finally start listening? When Samsung revealed its latest flagship chipset, the Exynos 2600, a few weeks ago, it placed heavy emphasis on a brand new technology called HPB. This is an industry-first solution designed to help the chip cool down much faster under heavy workloads. Now, a newly surfaced video gives us a closer look at how this cooling system actually works in real-world scenarios. HPB stands for Heat Path Block. According to Samsung, this technology can reduce the Exynos 2600's thermal resistance by up to 16% compared to the previous Exynos 2500 SoC. That reduction plays a major role in sustained performance, making the Exynos 2600 far more capable during long gaming sessions and other demanding tasks. HPB is specifically designed to maintain performance over time, not just deliver short benchmark spikes. That's a big deal for mobile gamers who care more about consistent frame rates than headline numbers. The video also highlights other internal upgrades inside the Exynos 2600. One of them is advanced interposer technology, which helps balance compact chip size with higher performance. Another is RDL, or redistribution layer technology, which allows stronger performance in a smaller footprint while also reducing overall chip thickness. The Exynos 2600 is expected to power at least some Galaxy S26 variants, depending on the region. Samsung is rumored to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 series next month. Exynos chips have struggled with their reputation in the past due to earlier issues, but this time Samsung seems more confident than ever in what it has built. Whether that confidence holds up will only be proven through real-world testing. Once the Galaxy S26 lineup launches, it's going to be pushed hard. So has Exynos finally turned a corner, or is this just another bold promise? Let me know what you think in the comments.